it's Leah from Leah Noel Design Co. here, and today I'm going to show you a really easy way of how to use a stencil. So the key to having a really nice clean stencil is spray adhesive. So this is 100 light. I picked this up at Michael's. I think you can get it at Menards too, but it is 100 light spray adhesive. So it's a lightweight spray adhesive. I'm going to give it a good shake. And then I have this stencil here. I just got it off Amazon. And it is a checkerboard pattern. Now I want to do a checkerboard on the top of this table, but I don't want to have to hand measure. So I'm just going to spray the adhesive on the back, and I'm just going to wave it around for a moment and let that adhesive set up. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to line it up on my table and just kind of push it down. Now, don't be afraid of the adhesive sticking to your table because it kind of dissolves and self-eats itself. So that's a good thing. Then I'm going to take some black chalk paint. You can use any kind of paint. You can use acrylic paint. You can use chalk paint, whatever you have on hand, just a little bit of black paint. And I am going to put it on my flat round brush. This one is from Redesign with Prima. You can use any kind that you want. And I'm going to go ahead and just like almost smack it on here. Now I don't want to use too much paint because that will create a bleed through. So I just want a nice light layer of paint. I'm actually going to switch to a smaller brush just to kind of get these little edges here. This one is from Paint Pixie. I don't know if they still sell these. I've had this brush for a really long time, but it is nice to have some smaller brushes just in case. You can also get flat round brushes at Michael's. I buy all kinds of them because I just find them to be a really super useful brush. Now I'm just going to go ahead and peel it up. Oh, look at that. So now I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to let this dry, and then what I'll do is I will just match up my corners right here. I like to let it dry. You can go forth and do it while it's wet. I prefer to let it dry. I think it gives it a better finish. But if you can kind of see right here, some of these edges aren't completely finished. And I'm okay with that because what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna line this right back up through here, and then I'll be able to get that a little bit more solid. But that's it. That is how you create a stencil using spray adhesive and any paint that you want.